Hey, come here. The promo for the 7th annual New York Cat Film Festival is out.
We're in it, right?
Yeah, we are.
I hope I don't look too fat. You know the camera adds weight.
Let's just watch it.
I hate watching myself on the big screen. I'll just peek.
Wow, there's a lot of great films in this year's festival.
Yeah.
Hey, audience, check the details below for more information on how to purchase tickets and even a chance to win a pair for free.
Daisy, I gotta get my tuxedo from the dry cleaners. And did we invite our friends? And where's the after show party? Should I tell?
Relax, we still have some time. Hope to see you all at the festival.